guys, my name is Abby and today I'm filming my first study abroad video. It is Monday right now and I leave on Thursday to study abroad in Granada, Spain for a semester. I'm going to be there for I think 3 months. But today's video is going to be a haul, and it is going to be stuff that I bought specifically for studying abroad. Some of these were gifts from people throughout the past 6 months, pretty much since I've known for sure that I was going to study abroad. I have bought stuff, and I didn't include everything because I bought new jeans that I didn't really include because I would have probably bought jeans anyway. So I just found something else that I need. I think I'm gonna start with Target because I just went there, needed to pick up the last few things, and then I have to start packing, so I wanted to film this video. So basically the first thing is I bought, some of this stuff is going to be boring, but I thought maybe it would be helpful for some people. The first thing I bought is enough allergy medicine to last me. I have one bottle, so I didn't buy a bottle that would actually last me the whole time. I'm going to be gone for like 93 days, I think. This next thing I think is a really big tip, and this isn't supposed to be like a tip video, just supposed to be helpful in some ways, is probiotics. Yay, not the most exciting thing. One, they are really expensive when you buy them in large quantities, but I have 80, and again I have another package that I haven't finished, so this should last me the whole time. But it's really important when you're traveling to take them because your body's not used to the food. You change time zone, your body can mess up a lot. So they put in a brown bag. I didn't buy a bottle of wine. Oh, it's my makeup. That's the weirdest packaging I've ever seen. I got my foundation, and haha, this is not my skin tone right now, but it will be when I lose my tan. Okay, so the next thing is I'm not taking full shampoo. Oh, my dog's barking. I'm not taking full shampoo. I'm not taking anything full like that because I'm just gonna buy it when I'm there. It's the easiest way. But I do need travel stuff because I am going to London for 2 days first, so I'm going to need like shampoo and stuff. So I bought a travel toothpaste, but then I bought these like travel bottles. I have more. I bought more earlier this year for another trip I was on. Focus. Okay. So I bought these. I'm just going to put the shampoo that I'm using right now at my house in these, conditioner, my face wash, and my moisturizer because I don't want to have to deal with airline stuff and, you know, the right size. So I bought those, and I have other ones somewhere. But I bought hand sanitizer because I wash my hands all the time and this is always important. I bought a travel size mouthwash and travel body wash. And then the last thing from Target was I just got bobby pins because, you know, you lose them all the time and you always need them. So actually this thing was a gift and I got it for Christmas. I got it from my boyfriend, but it is a portable charger. I have a cord attached to it. This is not the cord it came with. It did come with a cord. It's rose gold and it is so pretty and I love it. I literally use it all the time. But yeah, like I said, this was a gift from my boyfriend for Christmas. I told him I wanted it specifically for studying abroad. I believe he got it off Amazon, so you can find it too. It will come in super handy when I'm a long day of exploring somewhere and I need to charge my phone because I'm going to be using the same phone that I currently have. I have an iPhone 7 Plus. I'm going to use that when I'm abroad just because it's the easiest. I'm going to buy a SIM card when I'm there. So I have a Spanish phone number, but yes, that will come in handy. And then the next thing, okay. Oh no, wait, no. Okay, so next thing I bought was these shoes. So they were kind of for Christmas, but I just bought them. I got a gift card for Christmas specifically to buy like cute walking shoes. I have tennis shoes, but they aren't the cutest. And I wanted something that would still look cute with like a normal outfit, but I could easily walk in. So these were only $50 and my gift card was $50, so I didn't get to spend anything else. They are New Balance, I believe, and they just are black and gray and white, and they're super comfortable, and I've never had one that doesn't have a real tongue, so this will be interesting. Sorry I keep looking in the viewfinder. I'm just worried about the angle, but I'm sure it'll be fine, so just ignore that. Oh, I forgot. Hair is staticky. So if you didn't know, Europeans dress a little bit fancier than we do here in the States, and I wanted a shoe, a cute boot that, because I don't think I'm going to take my like Reading boots. I haven't decided yet. It depends on how much room I have left in my suitcase, but so I bought these ones. They're just black and they zip on the inside, and I think I got them at Kohl's for like 30, 25, somewhere around there. Only $25 to $30, which is super good, and they're so cute, and I walked around the store in them, and it was really funny. When I bought them, I got like compliments from these other ladies, and I was wearing this black dress, and they're like, oh, those are so cute, they go with your dress. Like, it was really funny. So I got these will be great. I don't know where the other one is. I will find it though, because I need a pack, but yeah, they're just black and they will be good to walk around in. I have been wanting a new wallet. I wanted a wallet that was smaller but still big enough to hold euros, because euros are massive. But I wanted a wallet to be like RFID protecting. And I went so many places. I went to Target, I went to Kohl's, I went to Walmart, and I looked on Amazon, and there was just not one that I was wanting at all. Like, there was just like, either it was too big or it wasn't a card protector one or anything. Went to TJ Maxx. I never shopped there. Found one within 5 minutes for only $10, and it's exactly what I want. Like, it's small, and I'll explain why I wanted a small one, but it's small enough, and then you open it, and I have some of my stuff in here, but it's a card protector one, and it is massive to hold bills. Like, massive. So it will hold euros, and it's the perfect size, and it was only $10 at TJ Maxx, and it was, oh my god, it was great. In the same TJ Maxx trip, I also found socks to go with the shoes, because the shoes, I don't know if you can tell, they go down a little bit on the side, so I needed socks that wouldn't show. And I looked at Dick's, which is where I got Dick's Sporting Goods is where I got the shoes. I looked there for socks, and they were so expensive, so I was like, I'll just find them. I was gonna go to Kohl's. I went to TJ Maxx, got 7 pairs, okay, for $7, and they are great. I've already worn a pair of them. They're great, and they work with the shoes. I was really happy. I need to start shopping at TJ Maxx more. One last thing from TJ Maxx is, focus, okay, we're good, is a rain jacket. Like a cute one, a fashion one is what I wanted, because I had one, but it wasn't really, you know, one to look cute in. And so I got this one. It is just black, and it has silver hardware, I guess, and it cinches in the middle, it zips all the way up, it has pockets, and it has a hood, and it's so cute. Not the best quality, I would say, but for the price, it was fine. It was only $17 at TJ Maxx, and it did run a little smaller. I'm usually a medium, but I had to get a large. But yeah, I just am in love with it. It will cover my outfit, and it's cute too, so it will still look cute for pictures. Is my camera dying? Is the memory card about to go out? It's flashing at me. Okay. The reason I wanted a small wallet is because I was going to buy a new purse, because none of the purses I had were either they were way too big to carry around or they were too small. So I wanted like a cute one, but I wanted one that was big enough to hold a small wallet, my phone, my portable charger, and a camera, depending on which camera I was carrying around. So I got one at Target. It's this color. It just has a zip pocket right here, and then it has this big one, and it has 2 different compartments, and they have little small compartments inside, and it's a satchel, because satchel purses while you're traveling are a must, because they're close to your body, so there's a smaller chance of getting pickpocketed. I've never had an issue. I've always preferred crossbody or satchel bags, because they're always next to you, and I carry it like kind of like on my front hip when I'm traveling, so I know, and you can leave it on you when you're in a restaurant and everything. They're just better. So this is the bag I got. I think it's super cute, and I have tested like my phone, my portable charger, my wallet, and everything. So that is why I wanted a smaller wallet to fit, and this purse is going to work great. I've already been using it. I'm in love with it. It was only, I think, $25 or $29 at Target. I think it was $25, but it's great. Next thing I got was another gift that I got for Christmas from my parents, and it is this travel backpack. I got it on Amazon, or I picked it out and then they ordered it for me for Christmas. But basically it's just a good size backpack that is a carry-on size. I am a big online shopper and I read all the reviews pretty much, and so this one said you can take it on European airlines and it'll be fine. Obviously American ones, it works fine. There's a lot of different pockets and stuff in here and a lot of things, but yep, I'm really happy about it. Never used it, so we'll see how it goes, but it looks like it's gonna be super handy. And yep, that's the last, this is the last thing. Last thing is this bag. I know you're gonna be like, you got all these new bags, what did you get it for? So it's actually pretty big. So it's pretty big. Then you sit down, film a video, film the outro, and then you forget a lot of things that you wanted to talk about. This is a different angle, I apologize. I forgot 3 very important things from my trip. They're all from Amazon. First thing is a travel pillow. This one's memory foam. I had one, wasn't a big fan of it, but so this one's a memory foam and it can hook onto your bag, which I like. I used it on my trip to California earlier this summer and it was great. So it was only like 12 bucks too. A lot of them can be expensive, but honestly this one is fine. I will put the link to it down below if I can find it. The next thing I got was, I'm going to Europe, of course. I need a adapter because if you didn't know, everybody else's electricity in the world is different from each other's. So there's 2 different kinds of what you would use. There's a converter and an adapter. A converter will convert anything like a blow dryer or a hair straightener or anything. I am not bringing my hair tools or anything like that. I'm just going to buy them there if I really want them, because I've heard that, yeah, a converter can work great for a few times, but pretty much your tools are just going to short out and blow a fuse, and so I don't want that to happen. But an adapter will use all of your electronics. I'm pretty sure I'm like crooked. I think that's where I had it. Oh well. So an adapter An adapter will just convert your plugins basically, and so I got this one. It is, no, literally the brand says travel adapter, but again I got it on Amazon. It was only like 20 bucks. It is a pretty blue color. And so basically it's kind of cool. It has 4 USB ports, which is nice. So you can plug in multiple devices at once, and then you can also plug something into the wall. So like my computer would go here, and then like my phone and Fitbit would go here. And then it's basically whatever country you are in. As you can you see that? Can you focus camera? I don't know if you can see that, but it's basically like US, UK, Australia, Europe. Yeah, so you do that and it's really nifty and it's really helpful when you're traveling. So then the last thing I got was packing cubes, and I had always thought about using them, never bought them before, but I decided to get some and I am in love with them. I will put the link to which ones I got down below because they were not that expensive and they come in a pretty pink color, and you got a lot. I think I got 7 maybe, I'm not sure off the top of my head, but there's like a large one, there's like 2 medium ones that have the mesh, and then there's like a medium one that doesn't have any mesh, and then there was like a small zip bag, a different kind of a small drawstring bag, and then they gave you a freebie one, which is just a black, kind of like a dust bag that I was going to use to put my tennis shoes on. So yeah, okay, outro time, back to a different angle. Okay, that is everything that I have bought for my study abroad. Again, like I said, I have bought other things along the way, but those are the main things that I bought, and some stuff I already have, like I have a Canon camera, I have a little smaller digital camera, I have a Fitbit, just stuff like that. But I hope you enjoyed watching this. I am going to go start packing, which I'm vlogging, so hopefully there will be a vlog up after this, and then I'm going to attempt to vlog all of my travels and just my life in Spain for the next 3 months, and I'm really excited. And please share, like, subscribe. This is my first actual sit-down video that I'm going to be posting, so I really hope you guys like it, and I will talk to you later. Oh, that was awful. That was so weird. Okay, peace out.